Yo, what is going on, guys? Hess here, CollectiveKicks.com. Wanted to bring you guys a video and show you guys that I blacked out the back of the Epic React. Something simple, just not too crazy, not too difficult to do. And there's two little parts to the shoe that I changed. One, you can see the back right here actually used to say Epic React in blue. And then this part right here was blue, and then I turned it black. So that's all I did. I mean, I basically just painted that. And it was pretty simple to do. And yeah, I just wanted to just make this murdered out, blacked out, because I like the overall look of a blacked out shoe better than a black one with a little teeny blue accent. Like, it doesn't give me any value add to have a shoe that has a little additional blue accent. And as you can see, now that sort of matches my triple black Zoom Flies that I have, as well as my triple black Vapor Streets, more or less. There's a little bit of gray, but I don't know. This was just a super simple, easy adjustment to make to be able to have that triple black sort of look on the shoe. And all I had to do is use a couple Angelus products to do so, and I'll link those ones that I showed you guys in the description of this video if you guys want to go shop at Angelus Paint. But super simple. Leave a comment, let me know what you guys think about this and how they look on feet comparison to the way they were before I ended up painting them. And that's pretty much it. Just a super simple, quick video. I just wanted to show you guys the before and after of the painting because I promised you guys I would. But thank you guys for stopping by and watching. I have a bunch more random videos to come. So yeah, stay tuned. We'll catch you guys with some more videos soon. Peace, guys.